Hi, my name is Eli Pollard. I'm the Executive Director at the World Parkinson Coalition. I've been asked by my friends at Parkinson's Concierge to speak briefly today about what the World Parkinson Congress does as an organization and why you should get to know us. So the World Parkinson Coalition, in a nutshell, was designed and is still working with a mission that is to bring people in the Parkinson's community together. So that's not just bringing people with Parkinson's together or bringing scientists together. It's about bringing the whole community together. So we do this in a number of ways. Right now, an awful lot of what we do, pretty much everything we do is virtual, but we do bring the community together virtually. But our biggest program we do in person. It's offered every 3 years, and it's called the World Parkinson Congress. And the Congress was first offered in 2006, and it was designed specifically to get people out of their silos, to bring the clinical scientists, the basic scientists, the clinicians, Parkinson advocates, care advocates, everyone basically, to get them out of their groups and their silos and to bring them together under one roof so we could learn together as a community and advance our understanding of Parkinson's and science and get us, we hope, closer to a cure, closer to new treatments, because we really need, in order to achieve that, everybody at the table. We can't really move science forward if we're not all behind the research and supporting it and discussing it, helping to prioritize it and decide the direction that we're all going to go. So the meeting back in 2006, that first World Parkinson Congress, was pretty innovative. And it spurred so many other organizations to start including people with Parkinson's in their work, whether that was as advisors on advisory councils or as volunteers or in other capacity. And the WPC has basically been at the forefront of the Parkinson advocacy movement for nearly 20 years. And we're not slowing down. We're not going anywhere, not until there's a cure. We're basically here until a cure is found and we can close the door on our organization. So we see a lot of advocates kick off their advocacy careers at the World Parkinson Congress. And we also hear a lot of scientists talk about how the World Parkinson Congress has changed the way they do their research. They now understand they need to engage with people with Parkinson's. They need to listen to people with Parkinson's to understand what are the research priorities? What should I be focusing on? How should I be investing my time? And clinicians across the whole spectrum of clinical care, whether they're doctors or rehab professionals or social workers, nurses, speech language pathologists, occupational therapists, and whatnot, they come to the Congress. It's an incredibly unique experience. They learn so much that they can take back into their clinical experience and better serve the patients that they care for. And so our next Congress is taking place in June of 22. In fact, it's June 7th to 10th, 2022 in Barcelona, Spain. And what really, makes, aside from everything I've just explained, what makes the Congress so special is not only is at the heart of the Congress there a scientific program that is open to everyone and has something for everyone on the program. So not only is that at the heart of the entire Congress, what we do, it's about the science, it's about the evidence-based research, it's about what we're learning and where we need to go in the next 5 or 10 years. It's also about living well with Parkinson's. So while we have this really dynamic scientific program and an exhibit hall with abstracts, with people from all over the world presenting their research and standing next to the research to talk to you about what they're doing, we also have an entire section of the Congress that's about wellness, because we know that fitness and wellness is crucial to people with Parkinson's to be able to have a good quality of life and, really just function at the highest possible level. And so we have an entire wellness section at the Congress where people can work on different fitness practices and learn about new exercise, modes of exercise. We also have a care partner lounge where care partners, care advocates, family members can come together, connect, learn, speak with social workers and nurses, and get support that they need during the Congress as well. So not only is it an incredible scientific Congress with something for everyone, it also focuses on wellness and just incredible networking opportunity. We hope that you will make time to meet us there, June 7 to 10, 22 in Barcelona. I will be there. You can learn more at our website, WPC2022.org. And I look forward to seeing you in Barcelona. Thank you.